Today I am going to teach you how to fasten off in crochet. So for my little project here, I just did 5 rows of 10 stitches of single crochet. And I got to the very end of my last row of 10 stitches, and now I've decided that I think I'm done, that that's all I want. So if that's the case, which usually your projects aren't going to be this tiny, but for this demonstration, it will work. You want to go ahead and cut off your yarn. Now there's sometimes when you're going to need a long tail for sewing. Now if you do, you're going to want to kind of measure it out and then give yourself a little bit of extra and cut it at this point. Now if you're not, and you're just going to tuck in the tail, or maybe do something else with it, a different color around the outside, then you can cut it a little bit shorter. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and cut it short. And what you want to do is you're in that last stitch, you yarn over, and you pull it through, all the way through. So now your hook is no longer a part of the equation, and you can see you've got just that little nub at the end there, and that's essentially your knot, and will hold your piece together and not allow anything to happen to it. And then after you tuck that tail in, it'll be just a really nicely finished done piece. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post them below.